Hammock Camping 101. In this episode, we're going to show you some basic tips on how to set up your hammock. Camping in a hammock can be a great way to enjoy the outdoors. It's quick to set up and it's lightweight. The first thing is to find yourself 2 sturdy trees to hang your hammock from. Make sure whatever tree you hang it from isn't weak or rotten. Next, check the ground beneath you for any rocks or logs that could be sticking out. And then you want to make sure that there's no deadfall above your area so that any logs or potential sticks could fall down in the night. So today I brought with me my hammock, my roll mat and my sleeping bag. Hammocks come in many shapes and sizes, but generally speaking, it will include your hammock, some pegs, your tree anchors or webbing, some paracord and some tarp. Now once you've selected your tree, you're going to want to set up your tree anchor or webbing. So generally speaking, as I'm hanging it up, I do look for small branches which can help it just grip a little bit tighter, but the friction is usually good enough. Once I've done that and made sure both lengths are equal, I'll take the rope up to here and do a simple overhand. From there, you then push the rope up and grab yourself a bite of the anchor. Now once you have this loop, this is what you're going to click your hammock into. Leave this in position and fix your next anchor. What you want to do is make sure that there's a nice sag, it's not too taut, so that you can climb in nice and easily. Try putting your roll mat inside your sleeping bag. This way it'll stop it from slipping about in the night. Next I'm going to use the paracord to secure the tarp above the hammock. This will help keep you protected in the night. This knot is actually not load bearing, so it's not as important as the one you use for the hammock. So the main things to remember are, find yourself some big, strong, sturdy trees in a safe area. Also leave yourself enough time to pitch the hammock. When you get in the hammock, lie diagonally across it rather than down the line. Most hammocks have been designed with this in mind. After that, lean back and relax.